You're just taking phone calls there.
Yeah.
Taking in orders?
Taking orders. Three drops in each 1,000 foot, right?
Right?
Yeah.
Those guys are evil.
Yeah.
They are, aren't they?
I know. That's who we did with.
They are evils.
Yeah.
They are evil people.
What a day. I'm glad I rode the bike to work. You know, sometimes the day just little by little starts to build up, kind of get to you. Sometimes it's not just one day. Sometimes it's one day and then another day, and it keeps piling up. And work gets to be a little too much for you. Man, it's been that way for me at work. I know you guys just see me riding motorcycles and putting on pipes or light kits or having a beer with Barbara or riding with our friends, but you know, life can be hard sometimes. Now, I don't have it hard. Let's be clear about that. There are a lot of people out there fighting with health problems, financial problems, problems with family, loved ones, kids, husband, wife. Thank God I don't have those problems. Right now, all I have is work problems. It's just stress. And it's mainly brought on by change. But you know, a lot of times change works out to be for the best. Sometimes, all the things that I mentioned before, sometimes those things work out for the best too. But these things make us grow. They make us better. They make us change. We change. But I'm gonna get through it. And you're gonna get through your problems. And we're all gonna be stronger. We're all gonna be the better for it. This is just a little dirt road on the way back home from the office. I have a pretty long commute. I don't know, it's not a long commute. You know, like a lot of people working from home lately. This morning, as you saw, I took the highway for a little while, but it's back roads all the way back home today. And I thought this would be a perfect place to stop and just chill for a minute. Hey, I want to thank you. And you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. You guys are awesome. Appreciate you following us. Appreciate you watching our videos. And I hope maybe this one spoke to you a little bit. Wish I had a hat, but my hair looks like shit. Helmet head. Anyway, y'all take care. See you in the next video. Got all kinds of cool stuff coming up. See you. See that rainbow up there? Look at that. It's not even raining. You know what that tells me? That good things are coming for you. Whatever you're dealing with, this is a sign. Hang tight, be tough. People care about you. There's a pot of gold waiting for you.